Welcome friends, in this one, let's take a look at answering this question. The normal line to the slope y equals the square root of 16 minus x at the point 0, 4 has some slope. One of those values. This is from the 1997 AP Calculus BC test. Form a y prime first. Now remember that y is really the following here. It's 16 minus x raised to the 1/2. So that means the following, that y prime you'd find by using the chain rule. Bring the 1/2 down, copy the inside. This is 1/2 minus 1, which is negative 1/2, and then you multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is the derivative of 16 minus x. When you work this out here, it's going to be 1/2 and then 16 minus x. Now that part of it, think about it. It's 16 minus x raised to the negative 1/2, so that would actually go into the bottom with the 2 as the square root of 16 minus x. And when you differentiate 16 minus x, that just leaves a negative 1. So that means that the final answer basically would be 1 times negative 1, which is negative 1, and in the bottom you would have 2 times the square root of 16 minus x. You then evaluate y prime at 0. I'm using 0 because remember our x-coordinate is 0 for the point here. So that would then give you the following, negative 1 over 2 square root of 16 minus 0. You work this out, so this is negative 1 over 2 times 4, which is then negative 1/8 this way. Now to form the equation of the normal line, you need to form the negative reciprocal of the slope. When you form the negative reciprocal of the slope, you flip it to reciprocate, and then you multiply by negative 1 to change the sign. So in other words, if this is your original slope from y prime, then first you reciprocate it. So in other words, it would become 8 over negative 1. And then you have to negate it also, so it just would become positive 8. And now we can put the pieces together into the equation of a normal line. So it would be y minus 4, because it's the y coordinate that is given to us, is equal to then 8, use 8, not negative 1/8. And this here is x minus 0, like that. Then you can solve this. So y minus 4 is equal to 8x. Distributing the 8 times 0 goes away. And then y is then equal lastly to 8x plus 4. And this is then the equation of the normal line to the curve square root of 16 minus x at the point 0, 4. Let's just do a graph of these two things so we understand what they mean here. So I'm going to graph the following in here. I'm going to graph the square root of 16 minus x. Let me zoom out here. So that pretty much looks like the following right there, you see. And also then I can add the equation of the normal line, which is 8x plus 4. And that looks like this. They are perpendicular or normal to each other. That's what it means to be normal. I know it doesn't look like it, but unfortunately that's not because of the math. That's because if you look at the horizontal axis, those values go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These go, on the other hand, by 2s. So when you have this kind of thing happen, you want to make sure, you see how now they look perpendicular right here? That's what it means to be normal right here. This here is about a 90-degree angle. That's what it means to be normal. And that's it. So thank you, friends. Please leave a like, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it's been helpful and insightful. I'll see you in another video.